City leaders announced new efforts being enforced to keep our city clean.
WMAR 2 News' Brittany Verner explains how this will impact everyone in the city. Brittany?
Yeah, illegal dumping, graffiti, and potholes. Those are the areas where city leaders say services will be intensified over the next few months in an effort to build a better Baltimore city.
Graffiti, when done respectfully, is art in its purest form. However, unwanted graffiti markings and posters on city-owned buildings and private-owned properties is a problem.
Over the next 90 days, city leaders have created an initiative they are calling Building a Better Baltimore Blitz, which prioritizes things like removing graffiti, cleaning up trash from illegal dumping, and resurfacing potholes.
Starting this work is a daunting task, and to do it in 90 days presents some challenges. But here in Baltimore, we are no strangers to getting our hands dirty.
Over the next 90 days, we will repair 9,000 potholes, remove 900 graffiti markings, surface 9 miles of roads, and we will ramp up enforcement of illegal dumping.
City leaders say 311 data shows on average they issue over 1,000 dumping citations along with filing criminal charges. And with this new initiative, it will better identify the people who are causing the problems.
We want to intensify our use of data analysis to identify target areas and increase use where feasible of a variety of technologies like our motion activated cameras and license plate reader technology.
To catch the people doing the illegal dumping, and the Baltimore City's Housing Community Development has a special investigations division to crack down on it.
We monitor over 70 hotspots in the city where we know people are going to dump. When we catch individuals that are illegally dumping and we have sufficient evidence, we criminally prosecute them. So we go after them with criminal penalties. We look to get them to clean up the mess that they made, to reimburse the city for the costs.
Over the next 90 days, while they are doing this work, city leaders will continue to analyze calls for service to find out what the next 3 areas of city services they will intensify following this initiative.
All right.